Another front clip here for pickup. Customer sending in their own freight company. It's a 2023 Acura Integra. Overall clean, like usual. This is how we prep pretty much every front end for customer pickup. Opted for no wrapping and no protection, so there was no additional charge. If you would like it wrapped up, there is additional charge. Everyone's a little bit different, so if you have any questions, ask me about that. Get you under the hood. Again, kind of a typical setup for us as far as tearing down a front end. Drop out the engine tranny suspension. Leave everything else pretty well intact. Everyone's a little individualized, so it's not always the same, but if you go through my videos, you'll see a lot of different examples, different cars, how we do it, but rad condenser fans, hoses, AC lines, harness, air cleaner box, some other miscellaneous is in that bag. The splash shield I saw earlier in the video sitting back there. Insulator. We're always looking for things like in the headlights, the OEM symbols, a lot of aftermarkets you'll find don't have things like that. So if you have any questions, please feel free to give me a call. My name's Jared, number 800-222-2528. My direct extension's 112. You can find me on the socials as well. Just look up Jared Weber Brothers. Thanks for watching.